Here is the cupcake mix we start with, the Betty Crocker cupcake mix, and then we're going to go through the procedure. We're making Valentine cupcakes here. Yenna's just added some milk to the cupcake mixture. Yenna's now cracking eggs to add some egg to our cupcake mixture. What are you doing, Yenna? Isn't this the best part of making cupcakes, is licking the mixers? This is your reward for being a little baker.
Yay, Yenna.
Does it taste good?
Okay.
Now Yenna's putting the baking cups into the cupcake pans, which is our next step. Great. Now the next step is putting their mixture into the baking cups. It's a little messy, so Nan is kind of helping Yenna with this one.
You want to help me push it?
Good girl.
Good girl. Watch your fingers. There.
Does that taste pretty good, Yenna? Hmm? Now Yenna's putting the icing on the cupcakes. Good girl. Yenna is putting some sprinkles on the cupcake. This is our last step. Putting sprinkles on the cupcake. Yenna, you did a great job with these Valentine cupcakes, sweetheart.